G'day, welcome to the Tech Math channel. I'm Josh. Today I'm going to show you a nice easy way of solving some percentage questions. So I'm going to start out with a question where I'm going to give you a limited time to solve it, and then I'm going to show you how we go through and do this. Sound fair? So let's see how fast you can solve this question here, 60% of 42. I'll give you 5 seconds, go. So time's up. Did you solve it? The answer, 60% of 42 is equal to 25.2. If that was the answer you got, well done, that's the correct answer, go you. If not, well, don't worry, because right now I'm going to show you how you can go through and solve these sorts of questions really quickly, that fast. So what did I do to solve this? Well, the trick is I'm going to break down 60% into 2 parts here that are going to be easy to calculate. So I'm going to break 60% into 2 parts. First off, I'm going to break it into a 50% part. Nice and simple to solve. And then I'm going to break it into 10%. And you can see 50% plus 10% will add together to give me what 60% is. So let's go through and do this. So 50% of a number, well, that's nice and simple. 50% of a number is half of a number. So what is half of 42? That's easy. The answer to that is 21. Cool. What's 10% of 42? So 10% of 42, another easy thing to solve because 10% is literally just getting this 42 here and dividing by 10, bumping across this decimal place 1 position to the left. So 42 divided by 10 is 4.2. And like 60% is equal to 50% plus 10%, our answer is going to be 21 plus 4.2. We're going to add these guys together. 21 plus 4.2, we get our final answer of 25.2. Nice and simple. So what about now I go through and give you a couple of these that you can do yourself right now. So I'll give you 3 of these. We won't waste any time. 3 of these that you can solve right now. So let's start with 30% of 61. Next we're going to go to 90% of 860. And then finally, we'll have a look at 45% of 18. Now, obviously you can sit around and watch me solve these and see how you go, but why don't you challenge yourself and see right now if you can solve them. Pause the video, give yourself 10 to 20 seconds, maybe even faster, and see how you go. And then come back and see how you went. So let's go through now and solve these. So the trick for doing all these is to be a little bit flexible in what you are doing. So we're going to start with 30% of 61. 30% of 61. Now the way I'm going to solve this is I'm going to work out 10% of 61. And then because 30% is 3 times as much as 10%, I'm going to multiply this answer by 3 and it's going to give me the final answer. So what's 10% of 61? Well, that's nice and easy. That's just dividing by 10. That's 6.1. Now we have 6.1 times 3. Cool. That gives us our answer, 18.3. That's how easy it is. How did you go on that? Well, hopefully well. So let's have a look at the next question here. We have 90% of 860. Now I'm going to treat this one slightly different. 90% is up around 100%. Now 100% of a number is nice and simple to work out. 100% of a number is just the whole amount. 100% of 860 is 860. So all I need to really do is work out 10% and take it off. So let's do this. What is 10% of 860? Well, 10% of 860, easy, divide by 10 is equal to 86. And I'm just going to subtract that from 860 to get the final answer. 860 minus 86, this equals 774. Is that how you did it? Well, let me know in the comments if you did it slightly different. Which one did you find easier? There. Anyway, let's have a look now at the final question. We have 45% of 18. Once again, the key is flexibility here. So my champions, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work out a number which is near 45%, and that is 50%. 50% of a number, that's nice and simple because it's just half of the number. Then what I'm going to do is, because 50% is 5% more than 45%, which is my goal, I'm going to work out what 5% is, and I'm going to take that away. So let's go through and do this. So first off, 50%. 50%, like I said, half of the number, half of 18 is equal to 9. Now 5%, well that's just 1/10 or whatever this amount here is divided by 10. So what is 9 divided by 10? 5% is equal to 0.9, and I'm going to subtract that away to get my final answer. 9 take away 0.9, we get the final answer of 8.1. And that's how I go through and solve these types of percentage questions in my SCON really, really quickly. Not too bad. You can do this really quickly and you've got happy thoughts the whole way, right? So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. If you do like this trick, give me a big thumbs up. Tell me you love it. Tell me you love me. Tell me everything's beautiful. That would be great. A big shout out to my patrons. Your support is always well appreciated. If you wish to become a patron of the TechMath channel, there is a link in the description. Check it out. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.